Good day, sir. My name is G. Mark Mostasesa. I will discuss about disciplinary recommendation in law enforcement of the Philippines. The Philippines National Police, as the primary law enforcement agency in the Philippines, plays a vital role in ensuring public safety and maintaining order. To fulfill its mandate effectively, it must uphold high standard of integrity, professionalism, and accountability. An essential aspect of this is the system of disciplinary recommendations, which seeks to address misconduct, reinforce ethical behavior, and maintain public trust. This importance of disciplinary recommendations. Disciplinary recommendations are essential for ensuring that members of the law enforcement community abide by legal, ethical, and professional standards. They act as a mechanism to correct errant behavior and serve as a deterrent of potential violence. In the Philippines context, disciplinary actions also help align the PNP's conduct with the values enshrined in the Constitution and its code of professional conduct and ethical standard. Accountability in law enforcement is crucial in a democratic society. Citizens entrust police officers with significant authority, including the use of force and decision making in critical situations. Abuses of this authority, such as involvement in corruption, human rights violations, or neglect of duty, can erode public trust and undermine the rule of law. Proper disciplinary measures not only protect the public but also preserve an integrity and credibility of the institution. Uh, ang disciplinary recommendation po ay mga rekomendasyon para sa disiplina ay mahalaga upang masiguro na ang mga membro ng tagapagpatupad ng batas ay sumusunod sa mga legal, ethical, at professional na pamantayan sa isang pamahalaan. Isa itong mechanism upang maitama ang maling gawi ng mga opisyal at upang magsilbing babala sa iba sa iba. Sa context po ng Pilipinas, ang mga ginagawang hakbang o kilos nito ay tumutulong upang maitugma ang mga kilos at gawain ng PNP sa mga pinahahalagaan ng Constitution at sa kanilang Code of Professional Conduct and Ethical Standard. Mahalaga ang pananagutan o accountability sa pagpapatupad ng batas sa isang demokratikong lipunan. Binibigyan ng mga mamamayan ng malaking tiwala at kapangyarihan ang mga alagad ng batas, kabilang ng mga paggamit ng pwersa at paggawa ng desisyon na mahalagang sitwasyon. Subalit, kung ang tiwalang ito ay abusuhin tulad ng pagiging sangkot sa korupsyon, paglabag sa mga batas, at paglabag sa mga karapatang pantao o kapabayaan sa tungkulin, maaaring masira ang tiwala ng publiko o maapektuhan ang pagpapatupad ng batas.